We worked so hard this year that when the year came to an end, Michelle and I looked at each other and the only thing that we actually wanted was cocktails. We just felt like having different types of drinks to kind of make us feel like we were on holiday. Whether it be alcoholic or non-alcoholic, it makes no difference. Just something that tastes good, something that looks good. You know when you watch those videos and you kind of see a drink and you think to yourself, yeah, I really feel like that. So we spent the year photographing drinks and all sorts of fancy events that had really cool drinks. So we decided we were going to bring you the coolest drinks that we've seen this year, and we're going to show you how to make it, and hopefully we can film it in a way that makes you go, I want that. And if we can do that, thumbs up, subscribe, and leave us a comment below. Hope you guys are ready for this. We've got 4 drinks to show you. Three. We've got 3 drinks to show you. This is drink number 1. Enjoy this. Well, that's all. I hope you guys enjoyed it. For those of you that are far too lazy to even consider making a cocktail, we have something for you right after this. So wherever you are in the world, have a good day, good evening, and good night. Goodbye.